Hey guys, just going to look at NVFY. That was a good trade. Just took a little 10-cent scalp there as well. Basically, you're looking at this little area. It wanted to break over here, and then also just a pre-market high. It did it right before the open, and then it really busted out for a good run. So if you had your fibs up there, that was a good easy target one. I was watching it do it in pre. Unfortunately, I was in a lesson. And then broke at 330 as well, went up here to 357 over that, and that was a resistance level. Then it bounced on resistance, or finding that it was support at 330, and then ran up almost all the way. Actually, it did. It ran to 427, which was the next resistance. So very good trade. Still trying to make moves right here at the 380 level. I just took some scalps there right before we got on. And basically what you're doing is you're seeing that the stock is downtrending, but still upholding the gains from yesterday. So you're definitely looking at that. And then what you're looking for is it's still just upward gains right here. Even though it's falling down, it bouncing off of the same area where it did. It started proving itself at the 380 level, even for a quick little VWAP kiss trade. I take this VWAP kiss trade right here all the time, 380 to whatever VWAP is. It's already hit it. And then if it goes more, it goes more, and if it doesn't, it doesn't, and we'll see that if it could test out and bust out, that's fine. It's definitely in the indicators that it might go a little bit more, but if it doesn't, it doesn't, and it just is what it is, because eventually a 1 million float you really don't want to play with for a while. So right here, I think we had MRNO. That must have did good in pre. Okay, it must have been after hours yesterday or pre today. Let's look at it real quick, see what time frame it was. Yeah, this is all pre-market. Yep, here's the fibs from yesterday. All right, so this stock ran up very well, and then it bottomed out early this morning if people were start taking the trades right when they woke up. And then it's just downtrending, and here's your final non-downtrend. You'll see a higher low right here, and then you could get in a trade right here. You would hit an easy target 1, target 2, because you finally do see the bottom. All these other ones, they went up, but they never started climbing back up till here. So even though they look like they're going up, they're really not going up with any volume. You could have maybe had some small ones at this price range. It's not that bad. This is an easy target 1, target 2. I'll draw it for you real quick. That's called a backwards scalp right here. There it goes 1, and then goes to the second one to VWAP. So that's that little VWAP kiss I like. And then right here it's just looking at the same area of possibly going back out. So a good thing to do is set some alerts. And if it tells you to come possibly trade me, you're still going to run in here and look at it one more time to see if it's already passed it. It might have already passed it. NVFY was the big one. It ran up again, started doing that. But right here, once this red candle is broken to me, I'll take a VWAP kiss trade all day long. And if you look at it real quick in a larger format, you'll see it right here. You'll see it go up, make a red candle, come back down, and go right to VWAP and fail, which is fine. Because to me, I'm just looking at a target 1. When a stock is downtrending, and if you can identify the right platform where it goes up, down, I will take a target 1 all day. That's all it did. Bear with me, don't really care. And then right here on the uptrend, clean, nice chart here from all the way up again. And let's see what else is going. I think OTLK would have been a nice trade. I just took that trade a second ago. These are the 3 trades that were possible that I see. Obviously, if you woke up early enough and got these, power to you. But once the stock is already run and that high price, you kind of want to just wait for it to prove itself. Here, you'll see it go down. You'll go up. This is how patient I am. And then you'll see it go down less. So eventually, this is an inverted head and shoulders, and then it'll pop back up. So right there, that's the easy way to look at it. And then right here, it'll do almost the same move at the exact same price because it cannot find any shares lower. And then it goes up a little higher one more time, one more target. That's the target I would have drawn over this line. And then it went and proved itself, and then it busted down. And then I will get rid of these real quick and show you the one more trade I took here. It's another VWAP kiss trade. You'll basically see the stock again downtrending. So when it's downtrending, if you could get over this, This is another trade you could have had right here, but you got to be really microscopic at this level. So basically you're seeing red candles, you see a green candle, and they're also getting fatter, skinnier, skinniest, and now green, and then it breaks this candle right here. So you'd be looking at that trade if you had a 5-minute candle. So why wouldn't you look at it on a 1 minute and you just have to react faster? Well, here's the target 1 and target 2 pretty dang quick to VWAP. And then over here, almost in the same area, it did the exact same move. I'll show you the same move. Usually it's the same area, by the way, as well, is you'll see this trade right here. This candle's larger than that, and then also it's just beating itself right here. So there's the target 1, target 2 trade right there for a 9.50 to 10. That's 50 cents, 50 cents. Don't care where you get it. And then these are flattening out, so these could be turning up, and it'll probably be at the exact same area. We will see. Otherwise, I like when a stock bottoms out and then it starts going back up. Stock bottoms out and then it starts going back up. So I'm just a retrend trader. I think it's probably the best way for a couple reasons. It's just bottoming out and then coming back up. And the reason I like it, it's just going to prove itself a little bit more that it's worth your trouble. So here's your lower high, here's your higher high. I mean your lower low and your higher low. So here's a possible another maneuver here to VWAP. Otherwise, just let it kiss on down, let it keep on going down. If you see this is going down as this is going up, this is kind of what I signal myself as a reversal. You'll see this even going up right here quickly with a lot of shares. It's still going to be closer to the end because it's already run a big run right before that. So that's all I was looking at when I'm doing 1 minute. Y'all have a great weekend. If y'all need any help, reach out, do some private lessons. Again, I'd still be looking at the 380 area because that's where it's going to bust and possibly go one more time to VWAP. And then if it can beat this VWAP area here at the 4, I will slide this down to get notified to come take it real quick. You'll see it right here. It's going to be going right here to VWAP right in front of us in a couple of seconds. It'll turn red, turn green, because that's just a big fight going on right here. But that's definitely the level that it has to beat before it beats VWAP. So it's just bottoming out. And see how it bottomed out and it came right back up, bottomed out and came up. That's all I look for. Just a full retrend. And if I miss some trades, I miss a trade. But otherwise, I'm probably getting the lowest price it can be before it goes back up. Have a great weekend.